There are currently hundreds of cryptocurrencies in existence. As a result, it is impossible to escape the difficulties connected with gaining a grasp of the underlying technology linked with each of these cryptocurrencies. But we make it a habit to break them down for easier understanding. So, what is Klaytn, and how does it work? Each crypto invention serves a distinct function, and there are substantial differences from others. Most cryptos have varied applications and goals because of the different underlying technology, even if they all seem the same. Klaytn's creators define Klaytn as a social network similar to Facebook's Libra network, but with additional capabilities. This new blockchain initiative combines the private and public blockchain's unique features. More specifically, Klaytn is a blockchain network that provides a user-friendly experience and a development environment for blockchain developers. Meanwhile, it explains the fundamentals and benefits of blockchain technology to a wide range of stakeholders, from banks and merchants to individuals. The Klaytn Foundation was established from a commercial perspective. Therefore, it was created primarily for the purpose of integrating corporate structures with blockchain-based solutions, allowing it to handle various sorts of users. In the end, it became a household name within a few years, attracting the attention of everyone, from celebrities to major corporations. KLAY, South Korea's largest publicly listed digital company, was the first source of Klaytn. Customers hail from all across South Korea for the wide range of services offered by this well-known South Korean business. As a multi-service company, KLAY was intrigued by the 2017 bull run and chose to enter the crypto industry. The company was motivated to build a cryptocurrency, which led to the development of Klaytn. KLAY's efforts to implement the program were nearly scuppered when the corporation experienced many regulatory backlashes. Nevertheless, the CEO's crypto vision became a reality in mid-2019. Blockchain-based subsidiary GroundX was instrumental in overcoming several barriers and obstacles for the company. Later, the Klaytn blockchain was successfully introduced. Proof of stake and proof of work are replaced with an upgraded version of the Istanbul BFT. There are improvements to practical Byzantine fault tolerance that are made to run on a network. A proof-of-stake consensus method is still available for those new to the Klaytn world. As a result, only a small number of validators are powered by it. This is a business-oriented blockchain network that is quite similar to the Ethereum blockchain. It uses a clone of the Ethereum virtual machine that has not been updated to speed up transactions. At 4,000 transactions per second, the blockchain is truly unique. Businesses, as well as everyone else, may benefit greatly from the Klaytn platform. There are more than 50 blockchain apps that it owns and hosts. There are a variety of functions for the applications on the blockchain network since they have different responsibilities. Apart from that, Klaytn is a host to a wide range of crypto gaming networks and staking platforms. Quotabook, Tessa, Orbit Bridge, Makestar, and a slew of additional blockchain projects are housed on the network. For games, Night Story, Crypto Sword, Crypto Dragon, and many others may be found on this platform. Many global corporations and enterprises have been assigned to Klaytn's ecosystem enhancement and activities since it is an enterprise-oriented blockchain platform. The governing council members include international corporations and organizations from all over the world. Since the council is composed of elected members, they have the power to vote and propose changes to the platform and its node network performance. More specifically, the council members are now in charge of ensuring the platform's flourishing ecology grows and develops. Klaytn Improvement Reserve is a method used by the project to reward users who contribute to the expansion and improvement of the ecosystem as a whole. The KIR program allows qualified users to get subsidies or prizes for their contributions to the ecosystem when they submit recommendations for activities like community incentives, platform improvements, and user enhancements. Smart contract-based apps may be developed, deployed, and executed at lightning-fast rates because of the Klaytn Improvement Reserve's low costs. Due to the platform's pricing policy, Klaytn will be liable for any transaction costs incurred by developers on their platform. KLAY, the native token, powers the Klaytn blockchain. The blockchain network and all other blockchain apps utilize this coin to carry out all transactions. It primarily serves as a medium of exchange and a payment system for apps running within the Klaytn ecosystem. According to statistics from the first 3 months of 2021, KLAY tokens were in circulation on the cryptocurrency market, expanding in popularity and recognition at an increasing pace. This platform is meant to provide a wide range of blockchain development options for various applications. Small and large businesses alike can benefit from its services. As a primary goal, they were able to connect their technological infrastructure to a blockchain network. Additionally, Klaytn's ecosystem provides enterprises access to both public and private blockchain. Many users favor this platform because of the network's private blockchain feature. In addition, the network's scalability is increased by ensuring that sensitive data is protected at all times. Meanwhile, the public blockchain in Klaytn's network supports the decentralization of data and governance distribution. It includes all the necessary mechanisms to make the platform as flexible and user-friendly as possible. Using Klaytn has several benefits. For both institutional and retail clients, this blockchain provides several advantages. First, all of the platform's services have a predetermined unit cost. To put it another way, it implies that all transactions are processed similarly and are guaranteed to be completed on time. To make matters even more convenient for users, the blockchain helps them avoid gas fees by paying a portion of them. Second, it is possible to conduct transactions rapidly because of a feature built into the blockchain's architecture. Users claim to have practically instantaneous transactions within a fraction of the time it takes to complete a transaction on the blockchain. Klaytn's primary net can process up to 4 transactions per second. Third, several API services are available on the platform that developers may use to construct helpful apps. Furthermore, the platform is built to accommodate the Solidity programming language. Thus, Ethereum developers may easily switch to Klaytn without learning a new language. This platform is described as user-friendly since it is created in a way that interacting with it is as simple as sending and receiving text messages. Assets and wallets may be accessed using Klaytn on a smartphone. A QR code address is printed on each wallet and may be scanned using a smartphone camera. Users can get funds into their digital wallets by using this code. Thus, there are no private keys to remember. Lastly, one of the most important advantages of Klaytn is that it aids in the development of enterprises by assisting with their technological operations. Businesses and developers can keep up with the rapid changes in the blockchain industry because of the blockchain's scalability and flexibility. As a result, companies of all sizes may simply and quickly enter the blockchain industry and reap its rewards. There are numerous advantages to using blockchain technology, but it also has certain drawbacks. Only Kakao has announced launching a Klaytn blockchain project. This might be an issue since it could restrict the blockchain's and its own cryptocurrency's growth potential. Kakao is anticipated to charge a hefty fee for every transaction once the blockchain is up and running, according to industry speculation. Customers will have to pay more as a result. That might pose a problem for blockchain-based firms, as token sales will be less profitable. It's a real mess when it comes to communication. Development teams were first baffled about the subject matter they should be discussing. A few operational issues remain, but the platform is prospering, and engineers are working to fix them as quickly as possible. As a solid backbone for businesses seeking entry into the field with minimum technological skills, Klaytn's network has proven invaluable. The widespread adoption of decentralized finance, DeFi, is already a foregone conclusion due to the increasing number of companies adopting blockchain technology. Institutional investors should choose Klaytn as their preferred cryptocurrency, as the blockchain network has seen a steady increase in interest. It is expected that dApps and stable currencies would help the network's P2P payment, logistics, and storage options grow. The average price of KLAY might increase to $1.42 by the end of 2022 if more investors get interested in the project. In 2023, the year's final price can be as high as $2.70, with a minimum of $1.37. According to Tech News Leader, the network's worth will increase due to the activity of network builders and community investors. In the wake of this, the 2030 estimate for the price of Klaytn seems optimistic. By the end of 2027, experts predicted that Klaytn would reach a maximum price of $20.49. Klaytn's long-term prospects, on the other hand, are bright. KLAY's anticipated average price in 2030 is expected to range from $34.95 to $39.68, depending on current market conditions. That's all from this video. We hope you learned something from it. Until the next video, peace out.